Looking to improve your WordPress website's engagement and conversion rates? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 5 ways to boost your WordPress website's engagement and conversion rates. These strategies are guaranteed to help you improve your website's performance and attract more visitors. 1. To improve your website's performance, make sure to optimize your images, reduce the number of plugins, and use a fast hosting provider. A fast-loading website will not only improve user experience, but it will also boost your search engine rankings. 2. Content is king, and if your website has valuable and relevant content, people will want to engage with it. Make sure to have a clear message, use attention-grabbing headlines, and include visuals to make your content more engaging. Providing valuable content will not only improve engagement rates but it will also improve your website's authority. 3. Make your website mobile-friendly. If your website isn't optimized for mobile, you're likely missing out on a significant number of visitors. Make sure to use a responsive design, optimize your images, and ensure that your site is easy to navigate on a mobile device. A mobile-friendly website will not only improve user experience, but it will also improve your search engine rankings. 4. Use calls to action, CTAs. Whether it's signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or submitting a form, CTAs are essential for improving conversion rates. 5. By testing different versions of your website, you can see what performs better and optimize accordingly. This will help you improve your website's engagement and conversion rates over time. Thanks for watching.